Let's
Yo,
go.
shout Elaiza.
It's time. It's time. Okay, Pat, the driver.
Where are we going?
Where do you think we're going?
We're going London.
We're going to Cornwall. We're here. Everybody's here. Man himself over here. You ready, pal?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
You're shotgun today.
Sleep.
You're gonna sleep? No, you can't sleep.
How long do we have left? Just a little under 3 hours actually. Time to sleep, dang. I spy with my little eye something beginning with B. Bofa. Come on guys, what is it? Guess in the comments below. Bridge? No. Oh.
Bread.
You don't know? But Parister. Huh? Parister. Barricade. Yeah. Hey. Okay, I spy my little eye, something beginning with. Oh wait, it's gone now. I can't see it anymore. Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Yeah. Beginning with S. Sign. Yeah, it's right there.
So why bakit po tayo nakakaroon ng kapagsubukan?
The perfect weather right here.
Why is the tragedy start?
Nine.
Prepare to turn left, then you will have reached the...
Oh, there's the caravans. Over there.
Please turn slight left in 100 yards. Turn slight left.
Here?
You will reach your destination in 100 yards.
Yeah.
We're here, boys. The weather's kind of poopy though. Never mind, guys. It's the wrong place. I take it back. Mission failed. We'll go next time. Kobe.
O, saan daw yung susi, Pat?
Yan.
Yan daw, isir, tapos bangkong line. Tanggilan line.
It's a bit dark. There we go.
Oh, you gotta record me break the seal.
Yeah, I'm breaking the seal.
Oh.
Go, mate. Here, vlog it. I've now got the power. Ooh. So I've got the rooms there, room here, and a couch there. Thank you very much. Alright, I'll give it to Pao now. We have made it to Kobe's caravan. Okay. Oh, it's very rainy though. It's hella rainy right now. Oh yeah! Wow. Little sink, little oven, kettle, TV. Wow. Chillaxing. Dang. It's attack on seagulls. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na. Oh, this is it. It's Eren Yeager. Come on.
Once.
Those are my socks. Wait, those aren't my socks.
They are. They have to be.
Oh, these aren't my socks.
Tickle me, bro.
What the heck?
It is. Look.
No, those aren't my socks. I don't have socks like
Those
that.
are mine, but I think they shrunk.
What happened?
They shrunk or something.
I did buy new socks, but these aren't the new ones.
shrunk.
They're already dirty.
Can I have it since
Oh, yeah,
it
give
doesn't
it to
fit
me,
you
give it
guys?
to me.
Can I just have it? Thanks. We got ourselves new socks, guys. Nice toes.
600 feet. Turn right onto King George V Memorial Walk.
It's San Francisco.
I didn't know we made it to San Francisco, guys.
It's Venom.
I've never driven such a downwards hill.
No filming in us.
Some bananas. Pineapple.
I have a friend called Mary. She's a raised maid. Every time they're pushing, we're like, quick, Mary, need. Creep, I just bumped into a lady 4 times in a row.
I was like this. Can we reenact? Oh my gosh, she's right there. Sorry. I'm so sorry. Sorry.
Oh my days. And I witnessed everything. We're back.
Oh god.
Oh gosh.
This is a road? This is fun. I'm living life.
Please turn left at 100 yards.
Oh, I thought it was here. I was like, wait, we're actually off-roading.
No, it says.
This is all road.
Oh, what private properties are they now?
No, I don't think so.
Aye.
Oh, I was wrong.
Please follow
Oh,
the road for 200
loud
yards.
guys. Bit awkward.
Private property.
Oh, nandun si Kuya Cheng.
Wow!
Hello po!
Hello!
Wow! Hello po! Kuya Cheng! Kuya Cheng!
Hey guys!
Hey guys, oh wait, Kuya Cheng, come see.
Oh! So guys,
He's the ML master himself.
Yeah, we have it.
How is it? How is it? Good. Yes! I just had a hardcore loss. Shoo! Oh, the bar!
My cam's over here.
Oh, ang ganda! Ang ganda ate! It looks so nice. I'm cute.
They're just small ones. And then I don't know where my dad got this. I think he just got it
Cute
online.
little tripod. It's so cute! Ate Pami.
Guys, it's the first night and we're being boring.
Wow!
We're playing Switch. Eliza's playing Hades.
Hi guys.
Creepat's calling Julia. Say hi to the vlog.
Say hi, Jay. Oh, my watch was in between the seats. My watch. Hey,
Yep.
can I do a new slot? I'm dead. I'm just trying to dash, but it's not.
So we have an intense gamer girl here.
No, I'm dead.
She has one more life.
I hate it. Wait. Okay, wait. How? Why is it so quick?
She has 11 health. Clutch or kick.
Run.
She's one-shotted. She claims she wins these.
I don't win these
Or
ones.
she win these.
Wow, why can I no longer do? I'm dead. Rematch. Can I go back?
No, you have to start again.
What? From room 1?
Yeah.
Aww.
She has made it to her first boss fight, guys.
We made it, boys.
We made it.
Oh my gosh, wow, okay.
This is it.
Okay. Oh my gosh, Pao, why is she spinning like this? Am I messed up?
It's alright, you're popping off.
I just want her to stay in there, and then I'll be my call real quick. Okay, never mind. I
Okay.
didn't do my call.
Yup.
Where did she go? I'm dead. She's not in my circle. I'm so dead.
Creepat's resident sleeping right now. To the max.
Come on, I did the call. Oh no, I'm dead. No, I'm not.
Okay.
Okay.
Actually cracked out of her mind.
Okay. No. Oh, no. Please stop moving. Please. No! Yes! I died.
That is riveting at this very moment right here. Resident sleeper. Good morning. It's day 2. How you feeling?
Alright, got some good rest.
The weather's kind of nice today.
Yeah. My dad challenged me to 5 clap push-ups. I did it. You didn't need to record it because, you know, of course.
Nice.
But now he has to prove himself and do 6 so you can beat me.
Okay, go on.
Oh, so yeah, give me one. Okay, so you have to do 5. He has to do 5.
Okay, wala akong exercise. Wala akong practice. But
Subtitles.
Yeah.
I have no exercise and practice. Okay. But I'll take the challenge.
Come on then.
Okay then.
Go on then.
Don't hurt yourself. Dad, don't hurt
Okay.
yourself.
Tama ako dun dito.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, 7. He's tired now.
Okay, tomorrow it's 10.
Good morning, gamers. Hello, guys.
Good morning.
Good morning. Kipa is nice. Tita, Tito, Pao. Where are we going today, guys?
Actually, don't know. We're going to my mansion, so you'll find out later.
We'll find out.
We'll find out
Bet.
later. Yeah, I'm just telling my my attendance.
We're going to a mountain, guys. Keep watch. Your screen is really dirty, guys.
Allow it.
Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so sorry, but you guys are so dusty right now. But yeah, I'm really excited. And I think we're going to Land's End. Am I right or am I right?
Is that today?
I think so.
Oh, I think we're going to both. My castle and then also Lansing.
Let's play a game of slap while we wait, guys. We're gonna see an intense game where I will most likely lose. Because these two are... Is this safe? Yep, probably.
What
Is it nice?
Yeah.
Oh my god!
Can they even see?
Yeah, they can. What happened?
Oh,
Yeah, boy.
next time we're ready.
This is just put it here a little bit.
So if that's Eliza's turn, it's game over.
Why are we going like this?
Why is the order changing? Your ring.
It actually hurts, doesn't it? How?
He's studying my card.
Oh, I thought you were him not.
So how do you... Oh. So that's how you do it. Oh, that is interesting. Last night it was raining so much, wasn't it? I genuinely felt like... It was just so windy.
It felt like our houses were gonna fly away.
Yeah, it was real bad. See you guys in St. Mount. St. Michael's Mount, whoever it is.
My castle.
I mean, Creepat's Castle. Pow.
Guys, we got pooped on. What the heck?
Oh no, this
That's actually nasty.
Ayun, kaya sa akin
Oh
easy.
yeah, the seagull. Oh, we can see dolphins.
Please follow the road for 3/4 of a mile.
Oh. Oh.
outfit for the day.
Yeah, I've got my Georgie, my It's jacket, guys. Oh my gosh, Tita's here.
A few moments later.
So we're back in the car.
It's raining. It's raining, boys. No!
Look at it.
What the heck?
As soon as we got here, it started raining. I wore shorts. All of us wore shorts. My legs feel okay with my top. It's like I'm really covered. Ow! It smells like doo-doo. It actually does.
Like the line has tripled in size. It ain't it. Here comes the line.
That ain't it.
Yeah. I heard it.
Every time Creepy records, I feel like he's like a dad. I don't know why. Watch out, it's a wingle.
What is that house?
Wow, maybe these houses.
Great ba? At dyan sa pagbalang yun na. You don't need to step on the gas. Brake.
But people.
It's wild, man. Everyone's walking on the roads.
Oh, look at the
But look at the views. Look at the view right here. We're supposed to go to St. Ives, but everything's full. Oh. Hold up, chat. Hold up, chat. So we didn't get to make it St. Ives because everything's full. But look at this view. It's kind of poggers. Goodbye. Never got to see you.
You've seen it.
Oh, I mean, technically.
Oh my god.
Yep.
No reaction.
Oh my gosh, you're not reacting. Congrats.
I kind of want to.
You like it? Is it nice? Wow. Congrats. Bussin'. Yeah, keep that. Yeah. Sarap. Me and Pao got the barbecue. Wait, what's it called? Barbecue ribs and wings, fries, slaw. It was so good. Tita and Tito over here. What did Keep That get?
Ribs.
Yummers. Nice. And this is the view. Oh my gosh.
It filled it with water. This was empty yesterday, wasn't it? Yeah?
That's so true.
This is so like legit, it looked like a marshmallow. I don't know if I recorded it, but... No, but even last night it was like dry.
Yeah, last night you asked if I said it was not dry, but
It was like a like swamp. Oh snap. Oh. Survive. What the heck?
It's not spinning like I want it to spin. One more time, Bill.
Oh, it's a catch.
Why do I keep missing?
Oh, snap. Oh. Shoot.
No, that looks like the Narnia. You know the Narnia. The Narnia stone.
Oh, that's hard. That's hard. Ready for draft night, guys? We'll see ya.
I can hardly go at all. No fancy tricks, no, they don't suit me. Cause I'm just trying not to fall. I like you, and I think you like me too. So come on over, baby.
10,000 hours.
On your skate shoes.
My turn. Oh my god. Oh frick, I'm falling. Oh frick. Yo, I'm actually falling. I'm actually... My turn.
Ah, it's cold, guys.
Yeah,
Hold on, actually. I think it's because it's cold already. It's not bad.
Draft pick. Oh. Never mind, his draft stock went down by 2 after that throw. Guys, we made a friend.
He's gonna follow it, quick.
Oh, the dog's coming.
Oh, it's so cute.
Throw it. We met a friend. What is that?
So cute. So sad.
Oh gosh.
okay, there's a beach. Yeah, but you have to go down on sand. read the book? I did it.
Shall I be Simon? Oh!
You're gonna get like some fencing. You can go.
I didn't want to be Simon, guys.
Oh, he got robbed in.
Oh wait, I think.
What is happening?
You should have been. I got scared.
What happened?
No. No, please. I didn't even see it.
You don't see, pal?
Oh,
He ran away because I had OT and he didn't know how to recover. Okay, that's enough. That's enough, bro, fam. That's enough, bro. Chang is joke.
Oh, hi. This is the challenge, yeah? And then I'll give it to you after. Nah, I gotta get my phone, fam. That's it.
Oh, that was so close.
That's the one.
That's the one. Wait, why did he have even the people was like, ah! Oh, that's the one, fam.
Oh!
Yeah, quick.
Hey guys, we're eating again.
We're here at the Bluff Inn. I'm kind of tired.
Why don't
still,
we get-
but-
What the? Look, this is what you look like.